Hello, I'm Anaya Martinez. I'm from the Dolores High School, and my internship was on environmental engineering. What is environmental engineering? Well, environmental engineering is all about environmental sustainability. So that's basically keeping the earth healthy and maybe even making it even healthier for the future generations. My internship was with the Colorado School of Mines, and I was working with Amy Landis, who is the sustainability professor over there. And I was a part of the Sustainable Buildings Project. And our question that we were working on to answer was, could Colorado meet a 90% reduction in carbon emissions by the year 2050? And my group's solution was retrofitting buildings. So here are my mentor and coworkers. My mentor was Noah Sandoval, and I worked with Indiana, who was a sophomore at Colorado School of Mines. My job was to take the data that Noah and Indiana kind of put together and organized, and I would take it and I would code the data and visualize it into graphs. On the side of that, I had to learn a new language called Python, which is a coding language. So here's some examples of my coding in graphs. It was kind of the same throughout. So at the end of my internship, we got to present at the ICOSI conference, which is International Congress on Sustainable Science and Engineering. So at our presentation, we kind of came to the conclusion that just retrofitting residential buildings alone will only reach about a 40% reduction in carbon emissions. And I had presented with Noah and Indiana, and it was a virtual conference. And thank you to Pinhead and the Colorado School of Mines, and my advice for future Pinterns is make the best out of any situation.